Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Path. This is Dr. B. Meena, Associate Professor and Research Supervisor from Petition College of Arts and Science, Adayar, Chennai. In this video, I'm going to teach you one more method under modern methods, that is discounted payback period method in capital budgeting techniques. And as usual way, as I discussed in the previous videos under capital budgeting methods, to calculate the annual cash inflows if it is not given in the problem, that is otherwise call it as profit after tax and before depreciation. The same format will be followed as I discussed in the previous videos. Once you calculate the annual cash inflows for all the years at 10% discount value, we need to convert the cash inflows of the future period into the present value. And this is the as usual procedure. We done it under NPV method. So it is touching the NPV method also. We need to work out the net present value of each and every year. Once we calculate the present value of the cash inflows, we need to work out the cumulative cash inflows of all this present value of the cash inflows. Once we calculated finishing the cumulative cash inflows, apply this method to calculate, that is formula, that is discounted payback period is equal to completed years plus proportionate years. This is very easiest method. So only thing is the difference between the net present value and this method is under net present value, we just calculate the net present value. If it is positive value, we will accept the proposal. If it is a negative value, we'll reject the proposal. But under discounted payback period method, we calculated the present value of the cash inflows as well as the cumulative cash inflows. Once the cumulative cash inflows calculated, we need to look at the investment value in which year it is laying off. So we will discuss one problem under this method. You may get a clear idea about this method. That is using the information given below, compute the discounted payback period, the initial outlay, that is investment value is how much is given, 80,000. Estimated life was given 5 years, and we have the profit after tax as well as depreciation only given. So straight away we can able to work out the present values. So profit after tax and after depreciation is given. So we need to work out what is the profit after tax as well as before depreciation. So we need to add the depreciation. So how I calculate the depreciation? The investment cost was given 80,000 and estimated life was 5 years. So investment cost 80 and estimated life is 5 years. So we can do this calculation to get the depreciation for all the years because it's a straight line method. It is given as straight line method. All the years of depreciation is same. So 16,000 for all by first to 50 years. So they add the depreciation, that is the annual cash inflows, which is otherwise called it as profits after tax and before depreciation. Then we need to work out all the cash inflows to be multiplied by the at 20%, because how I got 20%? Because the cost of capital may be taken at 20%. The cost of capital is given. That is discounting rupee value is how much? 20%. So 20%, how to calculate? Already I discussed in the net present value video. That is how to calculate the values. So first year, 1 into 100 divided by 120, that gives you 0.833. Then second year, take this value 0.833 into 100 by 120, that gives you 0.694. Take this value for the third year into 100 by 120, that gives you 0.5. Likewise, I will able to calculate the present value at 20% for 1 rupee. Then multiply all these values with the cash inflows. You will come to know what is the present value of the cash inflows at 20% for 1 rupee. Then I need to work out the cumulative cash inflows for the cash inflows of each and every year. 18,326 for the first year, and this 18,326 plus 20,820 will give 39,146. 39,146 plus 23,160. What is the cumulative cash inflow for third year? And this 62,306 plus 15,424. What is the cumulative cash inflow for fourth year? Likewise, I able to calculate till the fifth year. Then what is my investment? 80,000. This investment 80,000 is laying between the fourth and the fifth year. So I will calculate the discounted payback period is 4 years, because out of 80,000, 77,730 I got in the fourth year itself. The remaining value, how I will calculate the remaining value? 80,000 is the investment. 77,730 I will get it in the fourth year itself. The difference, the balance, 2,270, I can get it in the fifth year only. That fifth year respective cash inflow was to 6,430, then 0.35 plus 4 years, so 4.35. So 80,000 is the investment, is lying between fourth year. So fourth year, 4 years, I will write it here. Then the proportionate means the remaining value out of 80,000, 77,000 minus 730. If I'm doing the 2,270 rupees, I'll get it only in the fifth year. So what is the respective cash inflow? 6,430. So 2,270, have I got it? 80,000 is the investment value, and fourth year cumulative cash inflow is 77,730. Then the difference I'm getting 2,270 divided by the respective fifth year respective cash inflow is 6,432. Then I'll get, if I do this calculation, 2,270 divided by 6,432, then I'll get 0.35. So 4.35 years is the answer for discounted payback period method calculation. So thanks for watching my video. See you again next video. Click the bell button to subscribe my channel, like my video, and share the video to your known friends.